Hey YouTubers, Chris Willett here from Notes from a Vagabond, and today's project is I'm going to make a Japanese soaking tub with my good friend James here. I built one of these before, but I made it out of recycled lumber. This time I'm making it out of a sheet of plywood. I think it's only going to take one sheet of plywood. I got this piece of plywood. It's already finished. I'm going to put extra water protection in it. But so basically, you know, I drew up a little plan of how the dimensions. Basically, I wanted 30 inches in length by 22 inches wide, 24 inches high. So first we're just going to rip all the pieces and then we'll assemble it. This isn't going to be a step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you a couple steps and then the finished product, and it's pretty basic. Not too hard, is it, James?
Not for us.
Okay. Quiet. Quiet, we're on the set. The other thing I wanted to mention is all it is a piece of plywood and a piece of redwood. This is a 2x6x10, and this is all, we're just going to use a skill saw, a drill, and an impact driver, some glue. Real basic, no table saws, no chop saws. We're kind of out in the country doing this. Okay. Here's my completed soaking tub. I made it out of one piece of plywood and one piece of 2x6x8 piece of redwood. I had the sheet was big enough so I made this top for it. So when I'm soaking in here, you know, if I want to put my laptop or drinks or something, you know, or I just want to retain the heat, I don't have to use that. I can just soak in it like that. I'll do a little quick walk around with it. So here's just a walk around. So inside there, it measures about, it's 24 inches depth, 22 inches wide, and about 36 inches long. You know, I made these two little side things, and when I say I made it, I did have some help with from my good friend James Thompson, who did most of the assembly. I did most of the design and picked up. The other thing I want to say is this little cart here I can use, so it's real easy for me to you know, move it around. This soaking tub is made to be portable. I made it for the outdoors here so I could put it in different areas. So how I made this is basically they're just butt joints with stainless steel screws every 3-4 inches all the way along and all the way down there. I doubled it up and it's just all screwed together with stainless steel screws. But the important thing is I want to show you the bottom. So this, I think, is the most important thing. Is I made this wood frame 2x2 all the way around. So when I step in it and stuff, there's a strong bottom. The bottom's not going to blow out. So you know, it's this frame and then it screws up here. But I think that'll make it plenty strong. So one of the big reasons I made this soaking tub is I wanted a soaking tub I could use off grid, and so this is my setup. I got this on-demand water heater. It's called a hot tap by, I don't know how you say it, J Cola or something, but anyway, it's an on-demand hot water heater. Runs off propane, but you got to be able to so first I would fill up the tub with water, and then I'll turn on this. This is, you know, like a sump pump. So it'll suck the water out of here. It'll go into the hot water heater. It'll heat it up and it'll go back in. And I'll just do that until I get the tub to the perfect temperature. Well, that's about it for the, you know, I call it outdoor soaking tub. You could use it indoors, but it's a soaking tub made out of one piece of plywood. I like how it turned out. If you learned anything from this video, like it, you know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, ways to improve, ideas for other people. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a happy soak.